What's up, my YouTube gang? I'm a man Umar Sheikh, and today I've come up with you with a new video on crypto trading. So yes, I will teach you crypto trading also, that how you can earn money from cryptocurrency. So guys, this is my first crypto video on this channel, so I may suggest you to please hit the subscribe button so you won't bell icon so you won't miss any future video. So I also provide you signals on that which coin you have to buy and you have to sell. So please stick to my channel, stick to my videos, and we'll be right back to do some gangbang.
Preview.
Okay, guys, this is the Binance website. If you are new here, then you have to make an account on this website. Then you have to add your funds, add your cash on this website. First, you have to convert your currency into USDT. After that, you have to buy coins, whatever you want. So if you don't know how to make an account, Binance account, that I will post the link in the description, also in the I button, so you have to check it from here, that how to make an how to make an account with new settings. So this is about Binance website. This is a very good trading website. You can easily earn money from there. Okay, first thing we have to do, we have to go to the wallet, because wallet is the main thing and safe thing in every trading website. You have to go to the wallet and do margin. Go to the margin, because I am performing here margin trading. I will teach you how to do margin trading. That is why we are specific to the margin. Here you can see here there is a cross 3x, there is isolate, right here on the right top right on the borrow, repay, transfer history. And as I'm using the dummy account for you to understand that how you can do things on Binance here and there, so I'm using my dummy account for you guys. So what is margin level, low risk, I will tell you later. What is isolate, what is 3x. So my first suggestion is to always you can do margin trading on cross 3x. Always you can do the cross 3x. It 3x means whenever and whatever you you can make and you can take leverage from the Binance, it will give you the leverage upon 3x. Means you get 3 times more. It will give you 3 times more points. That is the main concept of margin trading, that you can take money from Binance and earn your profit. This is the main about margin trading. But we are not associated with the isolated system. So I must suggest you don't go isolated system. The isolated system is also very good. It will provide 10x, but I must suggest you that don't go too much high, because 10 isolated systems are used by those who have too much coins in their wallet. So I suggest you at the beginning level don't go 3x. What is margin level, what is risk, I will show you here. Now this is the main thing. Whatever coin in your wallet, first you have to check what coin do you have. Then you have to transfer your wallet. You have to click the transfer button. So you have to transfer your wallet coins into cross margin coins, because in trading system, in Binance trading, you have your wallet, alone wallet. Then you have to convert it. It is written that fiat and spot. You have to use fiat and spot because this is your wallet. Then you have to convert it into margin. Select your own coins and your amount and hit the confirm button. This will convert your wallet coins into margin trading coins. This is the first step here. Then after that you have to go to trading, and in the trading tab you have to go to the margin, because we are doing margin trading right in this video. Now you can see the complete trading website. The graph is designed by fundamental and technical analysis, which is a very another field in every kind of stock or trading websites, trading view. So this thing tells everything. So what our main purpose here, as we are doing margin trading, so our main purpose is to do these kind of setups as is shown in front of you. We are familiar with cross, isolate, 10x. We must know what is limit, market spot, stop limit, etc. So what are these things? I will explain you one by one. If it is limit, then it shows that a limit order is an order to buy or sell at specific price or better. Limit orders are not generated to execute. Means to say that if you set your limit, then I will buy this I will buy this on this time period, and I will buy these coins on these profit. So this thing comes in limit. But it's market, I may suggest you to always use market in margin trading. Market order is immediately matched the best available. Means to say that whenever your prices goes up in the market order, so it will automatically sell or buy the your points in margin trading. And forget the stop limit. We are just neglect the stop limit. We are not dealing with the stop limit because this is not much too appropriate. So this thing is not used by many traders. So neglect that thing. There is nothing like stop limit. You have to do only market trade. Then, but it's normal borrow and repay. In normal, you have to do your own work manually, like how to buy, when to sell, what to sell. The 5 W's: what, why, when, where. These time when you do this manually on your own, according to judgment of graph, then you can do this kind of all manually. If you go to automatically, if you want to do this thing by Binance, then you have to go to borrow and repay, because these things borrow and repay are performed automatically. As it's written, all trading rules are the same in the day. So it means that if you want to do manually, as you have seen, maybe you have seen in many YouTube videos, that earn money while sleeping. So these things will on the back hand, these things are earning money. They are earning money automatically on the back hand, like borrow and repay. So that is the normal procedure. Okay, but it's low risk here, 99.0. So these are margin levels. If you are in green margin level, it means you are safe. If you are yellow, it means you have to worry about. If you are in red, it means that you are in this danger position. So the thing is that these are margin calls. And other thing is that I want to show you here, because we are dealing with the margin trading. There is an compulsory thing that I want to show you, that you must know these kind of things. And other thing is that margin trading, I don't like margin trading because this thing comes in lots of traders are not using margin trading, because but what they will do when your margin risk level is turns red, they will take all of your profit, they will take all of your leverage. That is why you become zero. If that thing comes in liquidify. So that is why I don't like margin trading, because if you are in a risk position, Binance will take each and everything of you, and also they will cut off interest of every time. That is why I don't like margin trading too much.